And talking about people brings me also to our local community here in South Carolina. Greer, Spartanburg, Greenville, down to Columbia and Charleston. You all helped to make our operations here successful. With infrastructure, roads, the Port of Charleston, for example, and the local universities. Clemson University, University of South Carolina, and let me also mention the local tech colleges. We call this a business-friendly environment. But you are more than that. You are our partners, our friends, and a major factor for our success. South Carolina is a great place to do business. And we and many other companies have proven this. And some of our business neighbors are here today with us. To mention only a few, our colleagues from Adidas with the US-wide distribution center in Spartanburg, Michelin with the headquarters in our neighborhood and with some manufacturing facilities here in South Carolina. Not to forget Milliken with a long-standing history here in the upstate. And last but not least, let me mention Boeing, bringing an exciting new industry to the state. And we are all looking forward to see the first Dreamliner manufactured here in South Carolina. At BMW, we say, the car is the star. Dr. Markus Braunsberger, who is responsible for our projects and for our products, for our cars here, is also with us. And also Jim O'Donnell, who is the head of the North American Sales and Marketing Organization. Those are our most important partners here. Let me say, it's a pleasure and it's always fun working with you, and I think we do have a great relationship to make this operation here successful. Our cars, our X5s and our X6 are very successful market leaders in their segments in nearly every market around the world. And I am confident that the all-new X3 will soon be just as successful. Eberhard von Kuenheim, our former chairman of BMW, said it best 18 years ago. Together, we shall make BMWs from South Carolina famous throughout the world. On behalf of BMW Team 10, and with all your commitment to support us in the future, we will make even more BMWs from South Carolina famous throughout the world. Thank you.
The board of management of BMW AG made the decision to build an automobile factory in the United States on a site near the Granville-Spartanburg airport.
Over the next 2 years, BMW will invest $600 million in our facilities in South Carolina. This expansion says to the world that our Spartanburg plant is a mature facility with a mature workforce, one ready to take on larger and more complex tasks.
Today, we are announcing a major expansion of our BMW manufacturing operations here in South Carolina. This expansion is bigger than the original investment, and it is a sign of commitment to the USA and to our home here in South Carolina.
Together, ladies and gentlemen, we shall make automobiles from South Carolina